Today we're going to do the center of distributions, which is basically the mean and the median. So let's say we have these scores right here, and we want to find the mean, which we all know as the average. So we're going to take these numbers and add them up. And after we add them up, we are going to divide by how many there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers up there. So we're going to take these and divide it by 7. So that's 100 divided by 7, which is 14.3. So as a team, each player scored an average of 14.3 points. The next one we're going to do is the median, which is the middle number, or as some people call it, the typical number. So I'm going to line these up from smallest to largest. Alright, and then after we have them from smallest to largest, we're going to cancel out the smallest one and the largest one at the same time. And so our median is 12. Okay, the following lists the salaries of the Bulls players from last year. And we're going to add up all the numbers and we're going to get the mean. So when I added all of them up, we got 67.8 million divided by 12 people, which means on average we got 5.565 million. For the median, since they're already listed in order, I'm just going to cross out as we go through. And we're left with two numbers in the middle. And when we're left with two numbers in the middle, you have to add them and divide by 2. And we got 4.85 million. Now when players go into a contract, they normally like to use the median number to say, oh yeah, the typical player only gets 4.85 million, and the mean gets, the owners is what they use, and they say we're paying an average of $5.65 million. That's what they would do as management. Now the question is, the reason why these are so high is because we got these three numbers, the 13.5, the 12.3, and the 12 million, which is a lot more than everyone else is making. All the other numbers kind of get closer together as we get towards the bottom of the roster. Now, because these numbers for these three players are so big, that brings the average up, where the typical number stays pretty low. So you have to decide when you're doing this which number you want to use, why you want to use it. Normally, when we talk about something where we have a few numbers that change it, we normally use the typical number to be the one that is more accurate, but it depends on what you want to do with these numbers, because you can spin numbers a certain way if you want to. So that's how we find the mean and the median, and that's going to be it for this lesson.